Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a small scrapbook.com haul to share with you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this collection floating around Instagram or on YouTube because it's quite popular at the moment, which I totally understand because it is beautiful, you guys. It has a total Maggie Holmes vibe and I am here for it. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. The colors are so me. I didn't pick up everything from the collection. I have some other stuff coming in the mail because scrapbook.com had sold out. So stay tuned for another haul as far as more stuff from Splendor. But for now, let me show you guys what I picked up. So I picked up the paper and accessories kit, which you get the 12 by 12 papers. And you get 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock paper and a sticker sheet. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. I am so excited to create with this collection, you guys. I'm trying to like use what I buy at the moment because if I put it away, trust me, I do not use it. So, I know I'm horrible, but I'm trying to like I purchased from them the, what is the other collection? Like Gal Meets Glam, and I actually like created a project with it, so I'm like proud of myself. So I'm gonna try to do the same with this one. So the first one is this super pretty like pastel pink floral sheet, and then the back is like this pinstripe with like this sage green. Love it. Oh, the quality of the paper is so good, you guys. Then we have this one with the swans. Isn't this totally Maggie Holmes? And then look at that. And then we have this one with the stripes. And then the like the writing. I love this. If you guys hear the wind, it is super windy right now outside in my, like where I live at. Here's this beautiful floral piece with some stripes. And there's this one. Then we have the navy with the floral. And then like there's like little birds. And then the pink. And then we have this one, which is kind of like that blush tone with polka dots. You guys know I love me some polka dots. And another floral sheet. So you guys, this collection is gorgeous. Like I think I'm gonna have to get another pack of this one. And I cannot wait to get the paper pad because I didn't get the paper pad. I don't know how I forgot that. That actually is still in stock, but I totally did not grab it. I don't know why. I think I just missed it. And then this is the little sticker sheet, and they're just a bunch of little floral pieces. Then we have the layered stickers, and this is what they look like. Got like a little tag piece, like a little clock. I think there was like a little clock like this in Willow Lane. So pretty, you guys. And then I also got the journaling cards. And these are all the pieces that you get. I'll go through some of them, not all of them, because if not, we'll like be here forever. So you get some of these, and these are double-sided as well. See, like little journaling cards where you can like, if you do like Project Life. Oh, look how sweet it is to be loved by you. That's cute. And there's that little clock again. Like a little hummingbird. Okay. These I like to use for like layering purposes. Home Sweet Home. Flowers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. So cute to like layer and make flip books, you guys. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this collection. And then of course I got another one of those sticker sheets, because this one comes, you get one free with the 12 by 12 papers, and then you get, I bought the separate one just to have an extra one. And then I got the 55 count mixed bag. I'm not gonna open it because it's so many pieces and little pieces, but this is everything you get. Isn't that cute? Look at the little swan. I cannot wait. I am so excited to play with this collection, you guys. But yeah, that's this super quick video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you guys pick this collection up. I still have washi tape coming, some of the enamel dots. I have quite a few things coming, and I might do a little bit of more shopping for the 12 by 12 and maybe like another pack, because I think that this is a collection that I am going to have one to use and one to hoard. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.